What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It is so hot in the house. Let me tell you something. From the other day, JPS fixed the light. We started having light issues, like light comes and goes. Sometimes after 6 hours, yeah, sometimes in the night I feel lay down and I sweat and try to sleep. Yeah, so right now we're going on the road because I can't stay in the hot house. The heat is too much. I'm too pregnant for the heat, so we're going on the road. I'm gonna need to get myself pressing board because from the last video people said, Swag, you can't press on the bed. No girl, go get yourself a board for press pan. Yeah, one more reason to go on the road. Yeah, one more reason to spend money. And you know, when it comes to spending money, Errol no like to hear that. I have a little list here. If it's little, not gonna show Errol yet. Errol gonna be disappointed.
You mean?
In a big. No, but in a big. But just
spend money, don't like to waste money.
I know. It's a good thing too, you know. Yeah,
No,
respect
man,
and big
spend
up.
money.
No man, respect and big up to Errol Stevens too, yeah. Because if you have never saved our money, we probably would never be in Richmond. Yeah, but anyway, guys, with all the baby fever and preparing for baby, I kind of forgot to buy some stuff for the house. Yeah, and also I need some stuff for the boys for school, so I'm have to go up on the road and get some little stuff. Yeah, you see this? My milk of fun, but it does not last long. It lasts for probably 15 minutes. That's all born off. And guys, Danny lost his very first milk tooth. Show your smile. Show your super smile. Yay! See, first tooth gone and next on the way. Then he just came to me in the morning and said, "Mommy, can you take it out? It bothers me." I was like, you know, normally kids they don't want nobody to help them with tooth, so they just shake it and, you know, trouble it, and it comes out. But Danny came straight to me. Danny said, "Mommy, can you please take it out? It is bothering, it annoys me." That's what he said, something like that. So like, can't even eat in peace. Take it out, Mommy. I was like, "Are you sure?" He was like, "Yeah." And it just go like, and it just drop out, and then didn't even make one sound. Then he just was glad he got rid of his bothering tooth. Yeah. What happened? It went for about 30 minutes this time. Not so bad. One of my subscribers told me that my belly went down and my belly looks like I'm ready to push out soon, and I went to the doctor, and for real, my doctor confirmed that my belly went down. So these days, any day these days. But it's so strange. I feel less pressure down there. I don't know if it's good or bad. Like, I mean, I actually feel even more better my last days before my labor. First up, guys, my real bad mama, you know, boys, they don't have good underpants. So first stop we made but some underpants for new school year. You can't go with the underwear full of holes. Yeah, you can't start new school year with holes underwear. Yeah, I really buy something. Leo, you like it? You like the one? Yeah? Good job on me. I have to take some of Marina's. Some of them. Right. Errol. Yes, you have them some Marina, so when they sweat, it does not print so too much pan uniform.
How much I want for you?
Me want 1, 2. Me want 1, 2, you know. Like the one. I will use it as a shorts.
Hello, I'm Keisha.
Like the
Can
one.
you start to carry something for me now, please?
No, that they will
I cool lemonade. Must I produce lemonade?
put it down.
Come Jenny. It's alright. Yeah, man. I need a cutting board and I will go off of my list because I'm not gonna go off of my list. I'm gonna just buy something what me not need. Yeah, not to stick to my list. My list, so not to buy what is on the list. Need one cutting board. One for 500. Take last. Pick up pink one.
Girlfriend, how much for these? You know this?
See that on the wall? 6,000. Yeah, I'm gonna need laundry bag.
Where are those?
Full of things that I need. See the laundry bag because I got a lot of laundry. Yeah, I want this one. Another one. It's smaller than whatever you have in your hands. The same size? No? Oh yeah. You want the same size, but I want pink one. I like the pink one. I want a pink one. According to my list, I need a mat for your bathroom. I need a mat for your kitchen. Oh, alright. We left Errol downstairs because he can't come with the cutting board or with why am I call iron board cutting board? Janostar iron board. Iron board, iron your clothes on it, yeah, iron board. Like a lot of people tell me, Swaggy, like the bassinet you have not gonna work for long, so sooner or later you're gonna come back for something like that. Sleep and play, them call it. Infant sleep and play. But honestly, me no know, guys. Me no know. Let's see if I am going to come back for one of those. Yeah, man. Bath rug. Yeah, something like that. Come help me. No, take it. Take it. My helpers. What that, Leah? Welcome. Dogs welcome. No, no dogs in our house. It's not for us. This is some nice towels here, Tommy. Which are Nautica we have. Big Mama is coming down. You can't just come to a store without visiting toy section. Like really. You know, guys, we have a problem in the house and I needed to grab 2 containers because kids sometimes they buy snacks and Daniel mainly name of Lionel snacks, so when Lionel is ready to eat him snacks, he have no snacks. So I decided from the other day to buy them 2 containers so each can put their own snacks in a container and mark the container. So when them ready, them just can come and eat out the container and know that nobody not trouble them snacks, cause you know them ball and a cry when them see no snacks, you know. And sometimes Danny him pick up the same snacks as Leo, but him yum Lionel snacks. So when Leo ready for go for him snacks, him not have no snacks left. Cause when Danny done him snacks, him go for the Lionel snacks. If you understand me, hope you understand my stress. So now I have to grab 2 containers and mark 250. 250 not bad. Yeah, it's ready.
Another one?
This one, perfection. Yeah, I'll take this one. And we are buying some Aki to give Swaggy work in the morning. Yeah, and Errol wants some Jumplam the morning.
Yeah, madam.
Oh, thank you very much.
No, take the.
Well, came home, guys, and kids requested to take them outside to ride their bicycles. Oh, gone. It's not good already. Errol kinda left bicycle thing for a while. Like I'm say, the wheel soft. The bicycle was literally just standing abandoned for about 2 months, I think. Yeah, I can't believe summer came and you guys didn't do riding bicycle. How come?
Flower grow.
Yeah, mommy's gonna go. On the pink one.
I have a pink. Oh, you scratched me. Zinnia.
And then look at this one.
I like this one more because it's fluffy and it's so bright.
It's fluffy, fluffy.
Fluffy and bright. Those,
Christmas tree.
they look like them need some vitamins
See our Christmas
in them system.
Christmas tree. Mommy, what are you writing in your recipes? Christmas tree.
This is my Christmas tree. It's not really growing, but it does not die. Good thing as well.
That's it.
Can't believe summertime. You guys never.
Football, you okay?
Yeah, through the academy.
Football.
Almost every other day, football. Yeah. The football would be in Olympics games. You could send Daniel, they're good to go. Because we train them, like, get them ready for Olympic games. Champions. I'm gonna just walk. I'm gonna walk.
You can start walking. You do that, we go right past the gun.
Yeah, man. That's not gonna do. Yeah. Guys, I want to go over the new part of the scheme and see what's good. Because last time we've been there, like, they started pretty tough. They just, started plant grass and everything. So right now, I want to check how is it going. Is it growing? Yeah. Pre-mega free. Yeah, go pre-wagwan. But I should have put some mosquito spray. I forgot. They're gonna bite me. They're gonna nab me. Oh no. Soon I will be strolling. But I asked her how I'm going to be strolling because our part where we are is literally hill. Up the hill, down the hill. So, me, I go stroll the baby down the hill. So, Errol says, maybe he's gonna bring me down to the next part because next part is more flat. So, yeah, I'll be strolling. But first months, I don't plan to work hard. I mean, it's a huge plus living in Jamaica. The weather is always good. So, first thing, I'm gonna have to put a lot of clothes on the baby. I don't have to dress the baby before walk. So I just can take the baby out and we outside, enjoying the weather, enjoying vitamin D sun, Yeah, so one more thing left on our list is to buy a set for our veranda. To put on a veranda, like I said, with the nice sofa, and the little table, coffee table, just pretty up the veranda. So when I'm ready, I can just take out the bassinet here. So when I'm ready, I'm just gonna take bassinet with the baby outside and let the baby enjoy outer door. Yep. What's up? What happened? No ear. So I never checked it out before you went outside.
Hey. No, come on to do it.
So what to do?
Go for the pump. Go for the pump.
No way. No, Leah, не ходи далеко. Don't go far because it's pretty high. Because right now, mommy cannot save you. Can't do nothing other than scream. Don't do that. Yeah, can't jump after you. Sorry, you're on your own. I can't give you my recommendations, but you should take it. If you decide take it or not. See how it is high? You'll be careful. You see, it is very high. If you drop, it's very high. You know better. What did you find?
Look.
Oh, it's a Scotch bonnet pepper now.
Everybody grow their
It's a
fruit
pepper.
and
It's a pepper. It's a Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, it's a Scotchy.
a lot of
Scotchy.
pepper.
Careful, move from there. Lionel, don't touch it. It's spicy. Easy.
If you touch it, your hands are gonna be
Yeah,
dirty.
gonna rub your eye and then gonna go with you. If you rub your eye, if you ever rub your eye now, after touching this thing, especially when it's
my God,
opened
they're
and seeds out and about, if you touch the seeds, this is like a Jamaican pepper. Yeah, if you want to make things spicy, you put it in a dish, so it makes your food buzzing. But it never grew for me. In my yard, never grew. So I not understand. And you know, everywhere I planted Scotchy, it never grew. Maybe me too salt or Scotchy, them not like me. You see that? But them not really look like Scotchy from the supermarket. Look like some cherry Scotchy.
Daddy put too much air and the tire burns.
Tire burst. Ooh. Okay, then it's time to go home then.
We can play football.
Ronaldo always wants to play football. Like 24/7, Danny wants to play ball. Because he wants to be better than his brother on the field. Oh, it is really burst?
Yes, guys.
Oh, it burst?
I'm gonna pump it in it, guys. Yeah.
Wow.
This is just
You really salt.
No.
And I wanted to go down.
Play football.
But do you want to go bicycle shop anyway because we want to take off the training wheel?
Daddy,
Leo, wait.
let's go home.
Alright, look upon the kitchen. I just love this set. Yo, I just wanted something matching in the kitchen, not just matchy rags. It looks pretty though. It looks pretty. And that's what Errol bought. That's the only thing Errol bought. Kaim say, this a fee in the house. This a must. In every Jamaican household, those plastic cups are must. And I know almost every Jamaican household have them. First I'm gonna see green colors, cause mostly them come in blue. Yeah man, Errol purchase of the day. Yeah, I'm cutting board, cause my cutting board Mildred just numb it so I just had to throw away my good cutting board made from good wood, but Mildred took over. Yeah, so that's a struggle. And I have to cook something, and I was in the mood to fry some onion, mushrooms, and potato. I'm not sure if Earl is going to eat it. As a Jamaican, would you give it a try? But that's not only it. You see, international marriage be like you have to try new things. If you don't like it, you just say it. Alright, man. But I think I'm going to eat again. That's what Earl says. Or Swaggy, you don't need to cook it again. It's alright now, but you don't need to cook it again. Like you can cook it for yourself, but me alright. That's what Errol says. Alright, so that's the result. It is well seasoned. Okay. Yeah. But it's a side dish. Yeah. Cause I have something to it. Watch out. Boom, look here, so that's where a real mix up I want, you know. Real mix up I want. Look at Jamaican in it. Jerk chicken. Yeah. So guys, would you eat something like that? Would you eat it? Would you mix it up together? Would you give it a try? Yes. Right now I'm gonna shell it.